Ladies and gentlemen, gather around. Today we're rolling back to 1956 when Elvis ruled the radio. Gasoline was pocket change, and campers looked like they were built by people who actually enjoyed weekends. Meet the 1956 Joule Model 15, a 15-foot, 4.6-meter travel trailer so charming it could probably talk its way into a country song. Before we hit the highway of nostalgia, don't forget to subscribe to the CampAvto channel, where vintage wheels meet questionable jokes, and the only thing older than our campers is my sense of humor. Hit that button so you don't miss the next time I almost electrocute myself testing a 1950s icebox. Now this little Joule, literally that's its name, is what happens when cute meets practical. Finished in beige with a green stripe, it's got the kind of retro color scheme that makes you want to wear sunglasses and whistle Rock Around the Clock. I think whoever designed it must have been part artist, part optimist. It's only 15 feet long, yet inside it feels like a cozy time capsule. The aluminum body shows a few dings here and there. We'll call them laugh lines from a lifetime of adventures. Mounted on 14-inch white steel wheels with 205/75 tires, it's compact, sturdy, and ready for another road trip. 2 propane tanks sit proudly on the tongue, like tiny metal guards keeping the past alive. I believe every old trailer deserves that kind of dignity. Step inside, and you're instantly transported back in time. There's wood grain vinyl flooring, glossy varnished paneling, and beige vinyl seats at the dinette that make you want to light a cigarette and discuss the moon landing, even if it hasn't happened yet. The windows have curtains. There's a propane lamp and LED lights for when you forget this thing was built before color TV. The kitchenette is a real treat. A 3-burner propane range, a porcelain sink, a laminate countertop, and even a slide-out work surface for those who like cooking in style. There's a range hood with a fan, and of course, an icebox, rust included at no extra cost. The seller also added new plywood panels up front, repaired the window guard, and even installed a locking handle. Because nothing says vintage luxury like a trailer that finally locks properly. Sleeping quarters? You get a mattress under a trio of windows, plus extra storage under the bed, and in a double-door wardrobe that smells faintly of cedar and history. I like the most how balanced it feels, not just in layout, but in spirit. It's not trying to be modern. It's just unapologetically, beautifully 1956. It was last sold for $4,000, or about 3,700 euros, which, let's be honest, is less than most people spend on camping gear today. Sure, the underside has some corrosion and the bearings could use a little love, but that's part of the charm. Like my buddy Jerry's jokes, rough around the edges but full of character. So if you ever see a beige and green Joule trailer parked at a campsite, take a moment to admire it. That's not just a camper. That's rolling Americana, a postcard from a simpler time when happiness fit into 15 feet of aluminum and vinyl.